Good morning, top of the morning to you all, top of the morning. Why it's just a lovely, 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 lovely time because it is cool and nice and little rain, little sun, little breeze, little everything. It's just so nice. And we have, woo, what going on so? Wow. Uh, the road fixing people. It's the road up there so. A jealous a lot of summer. Oh, yeah, the rain coming and seems to be spoiling things. Mr. One, what them put here so now? Let's see what's going on here. Then put a pipe, then put a drain there so. Them something that really work. One time they used to have some big drain. Big drain. So right just so now, which part of the water go here so? Well, they must know. They must know. Yep, let's see what's up. Because we get some rain and then press it out back it seems. Yep. Jeez, what? What? Let's see. Road work continues. Still, Vinita, be still. Yes, top of the morning, I go look Cinco Bible. I'm going to get mint. I want another mint. Two kind of mint I get. So, I'm on top of the world. Today went Thursday. It's a good day to be happy. It's a good day to be thankful. It's a good day to be happy. Something pipe burst or so. And a good day to be thankful as well. Period. 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 Good morning, good evening, good how to do, whichever time you're watching this. I am Van Miller. And I am washing. It is raining, like a rainy season now. I'm gonna wash. And I hung some outside already. Who know when rain a fall and stop and sun or wind me don't want to feel around go outside. Take up clothes, come back in. I have some blankets out there already. Let those stay outside. So I decide to put everything else in this bathroom here. So yeah, who never do that yet? 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 Put up your hand. Well, if you never do it yet, I'm happy for you. That means the son have a washroom and everything. So I don't have a washroom and this is what I'm doing. Alright, yo. So yeah. Yep. I just can't bother it. Going out, coming back inside and So just do one thing and let them stay there. You know? Yep. So that's what's up. Oh, please to remember to like the video. Like the video. Please remember to like the video. Like the video and share it if you don't mind sharing it. And if you don't mind, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. That's how we roll. Christmas season, my people, Christmas season is here. My favorite time of the year. Yes. This is red. It run. So, I wonder, did I? Yeah. it run. So I'm not going to put it. I'm not going to put it there. I'll sort that out. Yeah. Did you run on anything? Yep. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. Yeah. So that's that for that bathroom there. Let's see what else I have. I have one more blouse. Let's see. Let's see. How we roll. It's how we roll. It's how we roll. It's how we roll. It's how we roll. Alright. Whatever I have leave, I'm going to put it in the other bathroom. Alright. How we roll. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. How we roll. That's how we roll. How we roll. That's how we roll. So when I'm done, people, when I'm done and everything, I don't have this much to do. How we roll. I have some stuff that I don't want you all to see, so I'm gonna put them some. Oh, I have one more shorts. Good Lord. How we roll. So we're gonna just put this back up. I'm gonna put this back up, but I'm not gonna put this on it. So I might as well wash the bathroom curtains as well. Yeah, might as well do that, but not today. Tomorrow is Friday. I can wash them tomorrow. I think we're going to have some more rain, so if we get rain, I'm going to wash the drum out and put some and just wash tomorrow. So tomorrow then I'll just wash the bathroom curtains. Yeah, I'll just wash the bathroom curtains tomorrow. People, let me tell you something. It's like the Christmas season is coming up. It's Christmas season, right? And if I can get most of the things to wash. Oh, I remember, I don't want to put anything on the grill. Oh, I don't want to put any wet. I don't want to put anything wet on the grill. You know what happened? When you put wet stuff on the grill, it helps to mess with the grill. Like it rot quicker, it rot easier. You know what I mean? Yeah, it gets rotten quicker. So when it is wet, it get run quicker. But I don't know. One time now I go kill it, right? One time now I go mess it up. So put it over this. Put it over this. Right, you can hang them over there. Listen, it is what it is. It is what it is. Period. Point. It is what it is. It is what it is. I know you all would never do that. How could I put my wet clothes in my bathroom? Yes, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah. I'm playing around here. It is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. So the rest of the stuff, I'm gonna put them in that bathroom up there. So you all are not coming with me where, oh, nothing wrong. No, just come along with me. Let's do this together. I have more clothes to wash, but not a lot. Probably 1 or 2 blouses, but I'm not going to wash anymore today. So tomorrow, when we get some more rain, I'll wash these, the shower curtains, and then, yep, y'all coming with me. Come, so all these are almost dry, you know. Even my kitchen towels, yeah. So I roll. Yep. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I don't know which part I left off, but I am done washing the mats and the blankets. Now I'm drinking some leftover porridge that I had from yesterday. I had it in the fridge and I'm not wasting anything, so I'm going to drink my porridge. So yeah, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hold on. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Do something. Support me, please. All right, so bye. Keep on watching for something new. Same place though, but something new. Bye.